They have huge group. Okay, hello Khasi people, hello Megalian, Kumno Pilong, Paralok, welcome everyone. So happy Sunday first of all, and today we are going to check one reaction video. It is from a new group of choirs, guys. The group name is called the Orchard Choirs Group. So previous I used to react to the kids TARARI, guys. Those kids, like, I love their music, their gospel song, guys. It's really amazing and inspiring. So today we are checking a new group out here. This is a suggested music video, guys. It's a gospel song by the title Too Long Shlur Wat Sheptieng, guys. Tell me, what does it mean? Because it's a Khasi word. Too Long Shlur Wat Sheptieng. So we are going to check it out, and yeah, don't forget, if it is your first time here, join the African family, subscribe, stay tuned, and let's go. Orchard Choirs. Too Long Shlur Wat Sheptieng. Tell me the meaning, guys, of the song. Who is the one singing now? I think the one wearing the gray. Okay, this is now a different part. But I feel like the sound is one, guys. The sound all seems similar also. They have huge group. They sound so good, guys. They sound so good. But I want to see the other kids also singing, like the kids TARARI. Now the seniors are the ones singing. But they sound good. They sound good, both of them. I feel the sound inside, man. I feel the sound is so touching. Nakulan ka Jigson. I think she's the master of them, guys. The one wearing that dark blue, because she sounds so good. And yeah, this one also, the one in the center. Yeah, I mean this one. I feel like this song is just all sung by two of them only. It's Sunday, guys. I feel her from inside, though I don't understand, but I can feel her. The place is looking so beautiful, guys, and the team is so beautiful also, guys. As long as I am seeing kids there, guys, meaning that this is so inspiring. And you know, kids for us, they are like angel, guys, and seeing kids always in a video which really look beautiful, and they always make things look nice, guys. Though I don't understand the meaning of the song, but it is a gospel song. So also gospel song doesn't need to understand it, as long as worshiping is from inside, as long as I am part of the worshiping. So we are all praying together, and I just love it, though but I did not understand anything, guys. And because of this, I'm going to start learning Khasi, guys. I'm going to start learning Khasi. And the sound, like the Khasi language, especially here, guys, when they're singing, especially the two of them. I mean, the seniors did very well in this, but I never saw the part of juniors here, because in kids terari also they use to involve the kids, juniors and seniors, both at once to sing together. But that is not the problem. Maybe this song is made like for them to have this part, and it is beautiful because I can feel it. I can feel it, guys. It sounds so good and it's so touching, guys. So this is all I can say. And very soon I'm learning Khasi, so that next time I will be singing with you guys exactly the language. So let me know, guys. I just want to know those group, like those group, they are from which place in Meghalaya, and they belong to which category, like which church. And because it's my first time reacting to them, I just want to know more about them, guys. Everything is so inspiring. May God bless them and wish them all the success, love, peace, and love from Africa. Thank you so much. God bless you all, and happy Sunday.